there guys, I'm back again, and today we are going to unbox the brand new, can I get a drum roll please? It's the brand new, I want to say Belux box, but it's not called a Belux box. Well, what's it called actually? Styletone, just Styletone? Anyway, it's the large version of the Styletone box. Let me put it that way. As we all know, in the last Belux box that we unboxed back in November, Styletone and the Belux box were going to merge together. Styletone was kind of taken over. And this is the very first box of that merge. So I have high expectations, but at the same time also not. And the reason for that is usually like these brand new boxes start off with this huge, beautiful box, and then it gets less and less and less and less. And if you just start off regular, then this is what I expect throughout the year. And then when we have a good box or the boxes get better, it's a better surprise than starting off with a bang and just be let down all the time. So before we start the unboxing, I want to remind you guys to enter my giveaway. We are only 10 subscribers, I cannot believe it, 10 subscribers away from giving away that satchel filled with makeup. And as soon as I give away that satchel, a new giveaway will start. This giveaway, particular giveaway, is open worldwide, boy, girl, Martian, I don't care, as long as you're subscribed and follow the rules in that video. It's one of my old videos. You'll see it. It says giveaway and it always says open or closed. And clearly this one is open. It is quite an older video, so you're gonna have to scroll down a bit. But like I said, we're only 10 subscribers away. 10, I can't believe it, and I'm gonna give away that satchel. So make sure to subscribe, tell your mother, your friends, your dog to subscribe to me. And the sooner we reach 600, the sooner a new giveaway will start, and I cannot freaking wait. And on top of that, I'm just gonna brag a little bit. On top of that, it's my birthday at the end of the month, and it would be such an amazing birthday gift to reach 600 subscribers before my birthday. It's in 2 weeks, so there'll be about 5 subscribers a week. I think it's doable, 5 subscribers a week, but you never know on this channel. So don't forget to enter the giveaway. Okay, my booklet fell, so let me just grab the booklet. This is Styletone Ultimate Box. Oh, I guess so. I guess that's what they're called, the Styletone Ultimate boxes. We got the listing. Oh, it's basically the same listing as that, you know, we used to have in the Belux box. So I'm going to place it over there. We got beautiful paper that I'm going to rip to shreds. Okay, and we've got, oh, this is cool. We got a satchel, and everything from the box, there we go, is in the satchel, and I love this satchel so much. Okay, this is from Creative Cosmetics. This is what the satchel looks like. Now, let me grab the booklet, and the satchel is probably going to be an item. Yes, see, okay, it's over here. It's a Creative Cosmetics Cosmetic Dream Bag, and the worth is 32 euros, I'm not kidding even, and 95 cents. So basically 33 bucks for a satchel. Like, this better be real leather. Sorry, vegans, but I mean, for that price point, come on, it's a freaking toilet bag. It's basically what it is. So I don't know about these prices, but okay. Moving on. Oh yeah, see, all of the items are inside. Okay, so let's start off with something really big. I don't even know where to place the satchel. Oh my goodness, my phone is in the way. There we go. Okay, space. So I smell coconut, like really, really strong. Yeah, it's this. I already know I'm not going to use this because the coconut smell in here, don't get me wrong, I love coconut, love to eat it. I love products that contain coconut, but this particular coconut smell is a bit much. It's like really strong, and it's not what I'm going for here. Okay, so this is foamy. It's a body bar. Oh, it's not for your hair? I thought this was like a shampoo. 100% plastic free shower body bar. Yeah, it's for showering. It's coconut and coconut, like I just mentioned, it's freaking coconut. It's coconut and basically chocolate, cacao, I can speak today. I'm sorry, guys. Basically coconut and chocolate. Let me put it that way. And that's exactly what it smells like. And that is too much of a food smell, in my opinion. I don't like it. I'm sorry. I don't like the smell. So I'm going to pass that bar on to you guys. Did I mention the price? I'm not really sure if I did. Anyway, the body bar, the worth is €4.95. Wow, what is wrong with me today? Like, dang, I am in a hurry, but this is just beyond crazy. Okay, let's just grab out the next item and hope for the best, I guess. The next item is vegan by Happy Skin. Original Skin Essence Toner. It's got chamomile, calendula. Oh my god, that is so good for your skin. And aloe vera juice. This stuff is heaven sent. This is amazing. Okay, this is what it looks like. And for all the people who think this is micellar water, a tonic and a micellar water are not the same thing. Far, far from it. So just dig your nose into that. It's not the same thing. And I myself prefer me a good toner. So my skin also pretty much needs it. Okay, vegan by Happy Skin toner. The worth is €38.29. Of course, not this size. This is clearly not a full size. This is, how much is in here? Wow, that's small. 100 milliliters. Toners usually go up from, I think, double this and beyond, usually around 400, like the really big ones. I don't know how much the full size is because it doesn't say so. The Deluxe Bucks did say so. Just nitpicking here, but like I said, $38.29. It's definitely not this. This is clearly a travel size. Okay, let's move on and grab something else from the satchel, which is Star Skin. Yes, I love Star Skin. So this is the Plumping and Hydrating Biocellulose Lip Mask, and we already received this mask in, I can't remember what box. I know we received this before in a box along the way, and I know I loved it. I love me a good lip mask when you have lips this thick, and no, this is not filler. These are actually my natural lips. Like I said, I've never made a secret if I get Botox. I have gotten Botox twice right here, and it didn't work for me, so that's a whole separate story. Oh, let me know in the comment section down below if you guys want to hear my failed ass Botox story twice. So that's pretty much why I know Botox, fillers, all that stuff just isn't for me. I can do a whole story time on that. Let me know in the comment section down below. Okay, anyway, moving on to Star Skin. This is the lip mask, and the worth is €5.50. Moving on to something else from Elips, a vitamin hair mask. Wow, I could have used that yesterday when I was taking a shower, and it's already like flat. This is with Pro Keratin Complex Hair Repair, enriched with jojoba oil or jojoba oil, or I never know how to pronounce that. It nourishes, it smooths and strengthens your hair. Okay, so this is what that satchel looks like. Come on, there we go. And the worth of this is €4.20. And we're gonna grab something else out of this satchel. This is Avant. I know stuff from Avant is usually very expensive. It's the collagen, aloe vera, hyaluronic, lavender oil, glycerin, vitamin C, Styletone? I don't know what the last one is. I have to look it up online. It's an Age Radiance Hydra Bright Collagen Eye Restoring Pads. Now take a breath. That's like a mouthful. Okay, basically simple eye pads, not really much to show here. Eye pads like any other. Let's see. The Avant Skincare Hydrating eye pads are... What? No. Okay, I need to show you guys this because y'all are going to say I'm making this up. They are worth €40. Like, my eyes better be be as tight as they were when I was back in my 20s. They better be for 40 bucks for one pair. I can hardly believe that. I think that that's got to be multiple ones in a pack and we just got one. I don't know, but like, see, it literally says 40 freaking bucks. Like, I'm not even joking. I don't believe it one bit. Like, seriously, I have to check that out online. Okay, let's move on to Pays Peas. Still don't know how to pronounce this brand. It is a nail polish in the color number 2 lilac white, and I really do enjoy this color. It's got this very beautiful like toned down rose petal kind of a color, very pretty. Let's see, in the booklet, where are you? You're over here. Pays Peas, whatever. Nail polish is worth €6, and you could get the one that I got or a more of a brownish tone color. Even though that will go great with my makeup right now, and these purple nails don't at all. I'm glad I got this one and not the brown one. Now let's move on to Hot Makeup. This is By You Concealer. Okay, in the color BC10, and I remember we already got a, I think it was a concealer as well that I gave away because it was way too dark. So, you know. Let me just check if it's not sealed. If it's sealed, I'm going to give it away just instantly because usually these colors don't match up with my pale skin. No, it's not. Oh, that's way too dark. Okay, I'm going to give this sucker away. It wasn't sealed, so I could just bloop, plop it open. I did not touch it. No worries. I don't have corona. Never have been infected. Don't go near people these days, so no worries there. Let's see. Hot Makeup, like I said, it was BU Concealer in the color BC10. This is what the packaging looks like, and this over here is basically the color, but of course look it up online. I'm definitely going to do this in a giveaway because it is not, my color is way too dark. Let's see, Hot Makeup Concealer, the worth is €14.77. And I'm looking at it and I think that is, oh no, wait, there's still one more item. Yeah, there's one more item in here that I'm actually not going to open because the last one, did I give that one away? I'm like thinking, wait a minute, did I give that one away or do I actually still have it in there? I think I still have it. I'm not really sure. I have to see, but I'm not going to open it right now because this is the Pixie by Petra Shea Butter Lip Balm. But it basically a lip balm in a color. The worth is €8.85. I'm sorry, I almost said it wrong. €8.85. And I will have to check it out if I gave away the last one or not. If I gave it away, I'm going to keep this one for myself because basically it's a color, like a balm, but a color nonetheless. If I didn't give it away and if I still have the other one, then this one is going to go in a giveaway. So there's that. Okay, guys, that is it for the very first Styletone Ultimate box. I guess that's the new name of it. What do I think? The box itself has had an upgrade, of course, because it's like completely in Styletone. Well, I'm not really sure if these are Styletone colors, if the box is going to change every month or every 2 months. I don't know. I don't know what's going to happen. It is completely like in the style of Styletone. And the first items that we received, I really enjoy this box. Let me know in the comment section down below, what do you guys think about this box? I'd like to thank y'all so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next unboxing video, I guess. Bye!